The 2 Tires Guide to the Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa V4 SP. The new V4 SP is one hell of a tire. This is a fast road and track tire. It sits one below the Supercorsa SC, with SC standing for Sport Competition and SP standing for Sport Production. This is capable of running at the front of the fast group on track, but if you're racing, you would be better off on an SC. For road riders, the SP is an extreme choice and arguably not as good as the Rosso 4 for typical sporty road riding, as it takes longer to warm up, has a narrower operating window, and won't return quite as many miles. However, the miles you get out of it will almost certainly be great ones. On a dry sunny day, once up to temperature, you won't find many better road tires for your performance bike. Pirelli's signature feel and outright grip inspire total confidence and bring out the best in your bike's handling. It's no wonder these are fitted to the special versions of most manufacturers' performance bikes. If you are considering the Supercorsa V4, another good option for pure road riders is the Rosso 4 Corsa, which is essentially a Rosso 4 in the central section and a Supercorsa on the shoulders. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.